If you own a business website, it is important to know that 97% of visitors never contact you. A poorly optimized website is the #1 source of lost revenue for businesses today. The good news, however, is that you can easily increase sales by making one simple change to your website, and I'll show you exactly how in this short video. Even if you have the best and the most beautiful website around, it is still leaking away precious leads. Website conversion rates have dropped to historical lows because of unprecedented levels of information overload, unlike anything that we have seen before. Over 90% of searches are done on mobile phones. While new customers are visiting your website, those phones are ringing or beeping with distractions like text alerts and social media alerts firing almost non-stop. And in just one click, your visitors leave your site before contacting you or making a purchase. The social media giants, they are brilliant at knowing how to keep people on their apps. They don't want people visiting your website. Their only source of revenue is advertising, and so they will lure your customers away from you back to their platform where they're presented with offers just like yours. If you're in business, you cannot expect that visitors today are shopping like the old visitors from the past, who went online from computers, who took their time to engage with you without any distractions, and it is a whole new ballgame. In order for your business to survive and to thrive, you have to get ahead of the curve, and you have to do something about it now. Expect the fact potential new customers are leaving early and they're bombarded by competitor offers elsewhere. Then start getting them back. How? It's simple. You use triggers and formulas that teach your website to identify hot prospects based on their behavior and assign a quality score and reach out online and bring the best customers back to you. This is done by adding a series of goals, micro goals, macro goals, triggers that train your website to know who's a looky-loo or who's a hot prospect based on engagement, buttons pressed, videos watched, and then other behaviors. Behavioral science helps us spot people on your website who are likely to buy by using a scientific model that rates their buying intent likelihood between a 1 and a 10. The algorithm assigns a score. The higher the score, the more likely they are to buy soon. You can train your website to re-engage only those who scored at 8 and above and start a continuous stream of re-engagement that brings them back to your offer. You wouldn't leave a pile of money on the street for anyone to take, would you? Of course not. That would be crazy. It's your money. You worked hard for it, so protect it. And start protecting your revenue by making the most of every hot lead that's coming to your website. Make them a customer before somebody else does. You save lots of money too because you focus all of your attention on the highest quality leads, and it is brilliant and it works extremely well, and it's very simple to set up. The trigger formula shows you step by step how to keep your customers on your site longer, how to identify hot prospects, and how to get them back and buy from you. Your website will be re-engaging new customer leads for you 24 hours a day, 7 days a week while you sleep. And the greatest source of additional revenue is right under your nose. And to get more information and discover how to start re-engaging more customers and making more sales today, click on the button below. Discover how much more revenue your existing website can generate with one simple change,